A lot of you are calling me out that I am acting, I am dramatic, and I am all kind of things. I am a trained family counselor. This is what I was taught. Counselors have to be vibesy, current, aware, and know everything that is happening. When I read some of your comments, it caused me to wonder if you have ever crossed the floor of even college or any tertiary education. But even high school, when you're going to high school, you do drama and literature and all of that. I was taught to blog in Canada. I came to Canada to study, and blogging, I have to write blogs every day. Where I did my placement here, I did my placement as an advocate, that I have to advocate in drama, in literature, in whatever way it was here as a social service worker to persons with Alzheimer's and dementia. Blogging requires a particular code of ethics, which I stand firmly on. Counseling requires another ethics as well, and both of them are interchangeable. Both of them are near, if that's the correct term. So, why don't you go get a life? I have to find a niche market, and my own must be controversy along with drama and literature. One of the social media page wrote me yesterday to say the amount of followers and respond that I have, they will have to pay me additional money. This is who I am. This is the kind of home that I had. My children grow up into a dramatic home. This is who I am. My husband is exciting. I excite my husband. You would not like to see me in my house. I am a natural born who I am. This is who I am. So, don't tell me that I am a Christian and so I spend $500,000 to come to Canada on vacation and I should lay in my bed and read book. Another thing, you control your button. For Christ's sake, why are you on my page 24 hours a day to write me minute, second, and hour to tell me how much you distaste of me? Does that make sense? 21 billion persons are on TikTok who are very holy and very Christian. Why you choose to follow me? Do better than that, man. It's 2024 because this is what I'm gonna do, because this is my niche market. Most of my blogs, I talk about me. I don't necessarily talk about other people. I talk about me, and this is what I'm gonna do. It will only get worse, so embrace yourself. Use up your blog and delete button. Lose up your block and your delete button. Do yourself a favor. Block me. Because I study drama, I study literature, I study poetry, and I'm gonna use them to my advantage. That is why I went to the university.